Before we start this week's trading, here is the biggest catalyst for this week's trade. The Fed's FOMC meet outcome is likely to be the big wild card which could spark bigger rate cuts and hopefully larger rebounds for benchmark Nifty. The talk in the street is that a 50 basis point rate cut is still on the table. Technically speaking, Nifty's risk-on theme is likely to prevail, that said confirmation of intermonth strength only above Nifty to 5670 mark high as on 30th June. Long story short, rate cuts from Federal Reserve are coming this 17th September. The Gyan Mantra, stay bullish. Market trends. The global cues are neutral positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 130 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1556 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive bullish consolidation play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 10.12 levels. At last check, USD INR, September, spiked higher towards 88.50. Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.12 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.02. Nifty outlook. Nifty risk-on theme is likely to prevail. We suspect robust rally ahead with an intermonth perspective. Nifty, CMP to 5114. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 24,911 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,670 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,000 and 25,250. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 81905. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 81,217 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,482 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 81,608 to 600. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 54809. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 54,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 55,300 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,600 and 55,600. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Some caution is quite likely for benchmark Nifty on any excessive strength on reports that US President Donald Trump has pressed NATO to end Russian oil trade, seeks 50 to 100% China tariffs until Russia-Ukraine war ends. Stocks in spotlight. 1. The Nifty Metal Index marched higher in Friday's trade and is now aiming to move above its all-time high and ended 0.93% in Friday's trade. Hindustan Copper, plus 12.66%, ended solidly higher in Friday's trade on plans to raise capacity by over threefold, capex of 2,000 crore rupees lined up over 5 to 6 years. Among star outperformer in metal space were Hindustan Zinc, plus 3.74%, Vedant, plus 3.02%, Hindalco Industries, plus 2.07%, National Aluminium Company, plus 1.82%. 2. Premier Explosives rallied 2.52% after the company announced that it has received an order worth 7.83 crore rupees from the Ministry of Defence for the procurement of countermeasures. 3. Bargain hunting was seen in defence stocks as HAL, plus 3.59%, BDL, plus 5.73%, and BAIL, plus 3.67%, ended on a positive note.